great feeling coming back after so many years. The last time I came was in 2016 to attend a conference. It's always good to come back to the campus to meet the professors who have always supported you and still continue to support you. We have been contacted by ISRO to make space horn antennas for them using the composite materials that we have developed in our lab. Those are extremely high strength and they also have multifunctional properties. So as far as the innovation is concerned, I just go with my gut feeling in terms of working on what I like to work on, what is needed at that point in time. For example, my interest right now is developing materials that are imported from outside India. So we are trying to develop those kind of materials and then further transition it into maybe a startup so that our import reliance is reduced. That is something which these arts tell you that your only competition is with yourself, and then every day you have to work on making yourself better. Irrespective of what other people are doing, we can keep them as inspiration, but you have to focus on yourself. My mother had told me a shloka from Gita that Karmani vadikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. So she told me that the meaning is, you have to do your actions and you do not have much control over the fruits of the action. So I had to take that into my stride while being at IIT Kanpur because it just involves continuously one task after the other and you don't even have time to analyze what the results were and then you move on to the next task. It just gave me that habit of keeping on doing more tasks, continue to work hard and then not worry about the results. So much ingrained in me that it's like become second nature even now as a professional.